Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your mobile data statistics on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but this is going to work pretty much the same on the all iPhones with the iOS 16, 17 or even the newer ones. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go to the mobile service. And once you go all the way down, you can find the option Reset Statistics. So, as you can see, now I do have current periods 0 kilobytes, current period roaming 0 kilobytes because I have resetted them just before this video. So, if you click on Reset Statistics, this is going to ask you, are you really sure about that? So let's click Reset Statistics. And now as you can see 0, 0. So maybe now let's switch off the Wi-Fi and maybe turn on the Safari and let's, okay, here is some iPad, Apple help. So as you can see now this is not going on because I do not have any data, but as you can see current period is 24 kilobytes right now. So if I'm going to reset again, so go down on the mobile service all the way down and click Reset Statistics, again reset. As you can see now we have 0, 0. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!